Every factory uses water. But have you ever wondered what happens after that water leaves the production process? Many people focus on incoming water quality. Far fewer think about outgoing water. Industrial wastewater can contain suspended solids, chemicals, organic matter, process contaminants. Without proper treatment, these pollutants can impact surrounding ecosystems and water bodies. Wastewater treatment isn't just about compliance, it's about responsibility towards the surroundings. Responsible industries understand that environmental impact doesn't end at production. Effluent treatment plants help industries treat wastewater before discharge. Sewage treatment plants manage domestic wastewater generated within facilities. Together, they support safer discharge practices and better environmental management. The future of sustainable industry isn't only about what we produce. It's also about how responsibly we manage what remains after production. Microfilter beyond filtration.